conversations in my head, like a DJ spinning records of those special things we said. Thinking back on all the hours we would spend, cracking jokes and getting high, watching the sunset turning red. And now you're gone, we both moved on. It's just the way the movie ends. But I just hope that there's a sequel and one day we'll meet again. Who really pulls the threads to the universe's plans? And who really paves the way for our destinies and paths? When I look into your eyes, I see the maps of the stars and the riddles of our lives. It's the dance of the dark. And the riddles of our lives. It's the dance of the god.
Do you remember all the songs that we danced to, like symphonies of memories I flash through? It's crazy how a happy song could really be a sad tune. When I listen to it on repeat, it makes me think about you. Now you're on the other side of the planet, living your best life. But through space and time, our particles are intertwined. At least you have a special place in my heart and mind. And who knows, maybe we'll meet again in the next life.
If the face this, I will dance forever. Just one more time. You'll make me laugh, you'll make me cry. With the affection of a butterfly, we'll run away in the summertime. Oh, baby, it's so sublime. Who really pulls the threads to the universe's plans? And who really paves the way for our destinies and paths? When I look into your eyes, I see the maps of the stars and the riddles of our lives. It's the dance of the and the riddles of our lives. It's the dance of the Who really pulls the threads to the universe's plans? And who really paves the way for our destinies and paths? When I look into your eyes,